Hello everyone, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve unknown error occurred on CapCut. To know how to fix or how to solve unknown error occurred on CapCut, you should just go to settings. Here you can click apps, default apps, app settings. Then this list you will enter to CapCut. Then in this page of app info you can click on first stop and you can click OK. Here we'll enter to the window of storage. Then you can click clear cache. Don't click clear data because that can cause the errors in your app. In the end, you can turn on your airplane mode and you can wait a moment to turn off your airplane mode again. So please don't forget to support us by like and subscribe. See you next time in another video, and thank you for your attention.